9 health benefits of eating oats and oatmeal. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. They are a gluten-free, whole grain and a great source of important vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants. Studies show that oats and oatmeal have many health benefits. These include weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, and a reduced risk of heart disease. Here are 9 evidence-based health benefits of eating oats and oatmeal. What are oats and oatmeal? Oats are a whole grain that is commonly eaten for breakfast as oatmeal. Number 1. Oats are incredibly nutritious. Oats are rich in carbs and fiber but also higher in protein and fat than most other grains. They are very high in many vitamins and minerals. Number 2. Whole oats are rich in antioxidants. Oats contain many powerful antioxidants which may help reduce blood pressure and provide other benefits. Number 3. Oats contain a powerful soluble fiber called BetaGlucan. Oats are high in the soluble fiber BetaGlucan, which has numerous benefits. It helps reduce cholesterol and blood sugar levels, promotes healthy gut bacteria, and increases feelings of fullness. Number 4. They can lower cholesterol levels and protect LDL cholesterol from damage. Oats may lower the risk of heart disease by reducing both total and LDL cholesterol and protecting LDL cholesterol from oxidation. Number 5. Oats can improve blood sugar control due to the soluble fiber beta-glucan. Oats may improve insulin sensitivity and help blood sugar levels. Number 6. Oatmeal is very filling and may help you lose weight. Oatmeal may help you lose weight by making you feel more full. It does this by slowing down the emptying of the stomach and increasing production of the satiety hormone PYY. Number 7. Finely ground oats may help with skin care. Colloidal oatmeal has long been used to treat dry and itchy skin. It may help relieve symptoms of various skin conditions, including eczema. Number 8. They may decrease the risk of childhood asthma. Some research suggests that oats may help prevent asthma in children when fed to young infants. Number 9. Oats may help relieve constipation. Studies indicate that oat bran can help reduce constipation in elderly individuals, significantly reducing the need to use laxatives.